Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Lincoln Ross, President and CEO of CircleBlack. He joins me to discuss how effective communication and the strategic use of technology can enhance the role of financial advisors today. It is great to have you with us, Lincoln. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Great to be back, Jill. Good to see you.
All right, you got it. Great to see you as well. And of course, the big questions around AI, Lincoln. So how can AI help advisors deliver advice to their clients?
Yeah, so we're seeing some really exciting opportunities for AI to help advisors communicate better with clients, but also implement custom strategies for their clients using AI technology. So one implementation that we're seeing is in terms of investment selection. As you know, and as every advisor knows, there's tens of thousands, probably hundreds of thousands of investments that could be chosen to help an investor meet their financial goals. And oftentimes advisors are constrained by the choices that they have because it needs to fit into a scalable model that they can communicate why they've selected a certain investment for their client. What we're seeing with AI and the generative language models within AI technology is that advisors can customize solutions for each client and leverage AI language models to create a narrative that explains what those solutions are and why they matter to that client and how they help that client achieve their financial goals. It's something that would be impossible for a human to do on their own with hundreds of clients that each have their own specific implementation. And we're really seeing an opportunity for AI to unlock potential to match the best investment solution for each client.
Do you think AI can or will eventually replace advisors, or do you think it'll help enhance their role?
I don't see any future scenario where an advisor is replaced. There's an essential human connection that occurs between an advisor and a client. But what I do see is AI technology unlocking advisor productivity so that they can serve more clients and serve more clients with more custom solutions that better fit those clients' goals.
And when we tie this all together, how can effective communication and the strategic use of technology enhance the role of financial advisors in the client relationship?
So one way that this all comes together is once those investment selections have been made, how's the client doing? How are they making progress towards their goals? Again, AI can bring that mass customization to help an advisor have a narrative that works for every client, and every client can have a custom solution, and they can on an ongoing basis be describing how the investments that they've selected are performing against the client's goals.
How important is having the right wealth tech or wealth stack to improve what advisors are doing in terms of daily operations and efficiencies? Tell us more about that.
Sure. So having the right technology is critical in scaling an investment practice, critical in delivering great advice. Our research shows that advisors know this. Over 60% when asked what are they going to invest in to scale their practice and deliver better advice, they say technology. And when asked how do they want to choose the technology tools they want to use, over 80% say they want to have choice. But they really struggle with integration. And so what we see is there's two critical dimensions to building a great wealth tech stack. One is making sure you're rounding out your capabilities with the tools that best fit your practice, but then also choosing tools or a partner that can help you integrate those tools so that you get the best leverage from them.
And finally, Lincoln, what are some of the challenges that RIAs are encountering as they evolve through their financial planning journey?
Well, it's mostly in the form of scale. And how do they take on new clients? How do they find new clients? And it comes back to that theme of integration. There's some amazingly powerful technology tools out there. But in silos, they don't help RIAs scale as well. But when they can be integrated and that data can be interconnected, it really helps them scale their practice.
All right, Lincoln, appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks for having me again.